So at the time that IoT and the big data are increasingly being applied as part of the intelligent management systems, there are a number of studies and reports that suggest high value that can be gained by incorporating analytics into the maintenance domain. The savings like the reduction in maintenance costs by up to 25%, reduction in asset downtime by 50%, and decreasing the scheduled repairs by up to 12% are all significant numbers for the asset operators to consider. In past decades, since 19th, a branch of maintenance has emerged called proactive maintenance, which is in effect based on condition-based monitoring systems with the objective of detecting anomalies and problems in systems early in advance in order to improve the performance. As a child of this preventative, proactive maintenance, predictive maintenance has emerged, which is in effect a fully analytics-driven approach that enables predicting and preventing the potential failures and issues before they occur. Why these type of rotating machineries are good candidates for predictive maintenance? Because they are often, because of their complexity, are often equipped with hundreds or sometimes thousands of sensors, ranging from pressure and vibration, and flow rate, so on and so forth, monitoring the health of the asset at any given time and feeding the real-time data into integrated control systems or to the historians and recently in the cloud infrastructures.